Hello everyone and welcome to LAR 10 Introduction to Information Literacy. I'm your instructor for the 6-week course, Eve Miller. I'm excited to have you in the class and learning with me about information literacy. So the purpose of this video today is to give you a little introduction to the class, how to navigate within Canvas, and a little bit about what we'll be doing each week. So first off, this is our home page, and you'll see there's some important links on here. We have our course syllabus, some tips on how to succeed in LAR 10, and our final project details, which we'll spend quite a bit of time on throughout the course, so this is something we'll focus more on in a little bit. It also shows you how to contact me. Best way is through this inbox right here on the left-hand side of your screen. And what my office hours are. And then you can see links to each week's coursework. You can also get to that through your modules link over here again on the left-hand side of the screen. So each week, coursework will follow the same structure. We'll have an overview and goals for the week link. So if you're wanting to know what you should have learned and really what's important about this week's class, you can go to these links. We'll also have readings for each week and then a homework and quiz section. One of the most important things to remember is that each week, beyond the homework and quiz, we also have a discussion post, and they'll be posted on different topics, so you can get to those right here. And then let's talk about a little bit about the final project. So if you go to the final project details page, we do have a sample final project, which is super helpful, I think. It gives you a little bit about what the project is. And again, we'll be doing this throughout the course, so we'll talk about this really pretty much every week. But one of the most important things to remember, here's the week schedule, is that we will be using different types of software to create the citations and annotations. So we'll talk about this more soon, but just remember that you can use any type of software you want. You do not have to use the college's Noodle tools. If you don't, then just remember that they still have to be accurate citations. So please remember to read your final project details page. And welcome to the course. If you have any questions, again, don't forget to email me. And don't forget to look at your calendar to make sure you know what's due. And welcome to the course.